Hi everyone, allow me to introduce our most affordable townhouse, which is our Alice house model. Ito po may 40 square meters floor area and 50 square meters lot area. This is condo inspired, which is why yung sink ang isa sa una nyo makikita pagpasok. Alright, so here's our first bedroom. Bali, napakataas po ng ceiling niya. Saktong-sakto po dito yung usong-usong loft style bed. So ito po yung kanyang sukat. Ito po yung ay may second floor, so kaya puntahan po natin yung taas. So una po is our toilet and bath. Meron na siyang shower fixtures, sink, toilet bowl with flush, and may tiles na rin po yung lower part niya. Ito po yung second bedroom. And tulad nung first, napakataas din po ng kanyang ceiling. Perfect po siya sa isang double deck bed. Alright, so here's our third and last bedroom. Medyo maliit po siya compared dun sa dalawa, pero I can guarantee po na kasyang-kasya po dyan ng queen size bed. So ayan po yung view sa labas. And I'll show you more of this dressed up unit. So una nyong mapapansin, naka-sliding windows na po siya. And then pagpasok, bubungad po sa inyo yung round dining table. This is to save space. And then L-shape na rin po yung sink. Alright, so with hanging cabinets and floating shelves. Aside po doon, kasyang-kasya po yung isang 2 to 3 seater sofa. So ayan po. So this can be your living room, or pwede rin po itong another room dito, which is supposedly our bedroom, pero yun nga po, pwede rin siyang living room. Napakahaba po ng sofa na kasya. So let me show you our dressed up toilet and bath. Guys, napakaganda po niya. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. Okay, and then tulad sa bare unit house, let's proceed with our remaining bedrooms. So ayan po yung pwede ng kalabasan once mapaganda po siya. So here's our last bedroom. So that will be all, guys. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to get more updates.